They don't teach you the most important skills in school. The boss needs reaction. Junior respond, bless you, rookie mistake. Now check out the level 10 survival list I have seen. Boss, are you okay? Is it the aircon? Was it the red-eye flight from Tokyo? Here, warm water. Do you need me to take over the 3 p.m. meetings so you can get some rest? Notice how the entire department turns into certified paramedics the second upper management clears their nose. You won't find this skill on LinkedIn, but trust me, it works every single time. Diagnosing the boss needs take pure ambitions for some.